So are we recording right now?
I think finally
We are? Okay, great. Finally. All right. Thule, about 20 different ways to say it. Hey, hi there folks. Today on the Luggage Lab at Liebers.com, we're going to be talking about Thule, or Thule, or Thule, or however the heck you want to pronounce it, because I am not Swedish. Same company that makes all those luggage racks for your cars, bike racks, ski racks, all that fun stuff. Also makes some fantastic luggage items, some wonderful travel goods. So what we are talking about today is the Spira Compression Packing Cube. That's all these guys out here in front of me. Ooh, ah. These guys are fantastic. This has two zippers on it. One is going to be to open it up. The other is going to be to compress the bag. So as everybody's been complaining, hey, I need to pack so much stuff into my carry-on, I don't have enough room. This is your answer. Little packing cubes like this guy. Let's see what all this guy will hold. So we're going to start out and we're going to unzip the compression, and that opens this bag up quite a bit. Let's see what all I was able to stuff in here. We have one t-shirt, we have two t-shirts, we have three t-shirts, we have one pair of socks, we have two pair of socks, we have three pair of socks. Notice these are big, heavy wool winter socks. These are not small. We have one pair of underwear. We have two pair of underwear. And because we are a traveling company, we have the LAX, LGA, IAH, SEA, PDX. Hey, we can go to Phoenix, Seattle, wherever. Super awesome underoos. Okay. All this stuff goes down into your bag, into your little compression bag here. Zip this sucker shut, fire a few of these into your carry-on. You'll be amazed at how much stuff you can carry in that carry-on bag. You can easily get away for 5 to 10 days in just a single carry-on bag when you utilize packing cubes like these guys from Thule. If you enjoy what you see on our little videos here, please like and subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, head over to Liebers.com where we have everything but the trip.